Hi, young friends. Let's take a fun journey into the world of basic science, the key to understanding how things around us work. Science is all about asking questions and finding answers. It helps us understand the world, from the tiny ants crawling on the ground to the big shining stars in the sky. Let's explore some important parts of science. 1. Matter, everything around you. Everything you see, touch, and even breathe is made of matter. Matter exists in three main forms. Solids, like rocks and pencils, stay in one shape. Liquids, like water and juice, take the shape of their container. Gases, like air and steam, spread out and fill up space. 2. Energy, the power to do things. Energy makes things move and work. There are many kinds of energy. Heat energy warms things up, like the sun keeping you cozy. Light energy helps you see. Your flashlight glows because of this. Sound energy lets you hear. That's how your voice travels through air. 3. Forces, push and pull. Have you ever kicked a ball? That's called force. A push moves something away, while a pull brings it closer. Gravity is a special force that pulls everything toward the ground. That's why we don't float away like astronauts in space. 4. Living things, plants, animals, and you. Living things need food, water, and air to survive. Plants make their own food using sunlight. Cool, right? Animals eat plants or other animals to get energy. You, as a human, are also a living thing, and your body works like a machine, with a heart pumping blood and lungs helping you breathe. 5. Earth and space, our big universe. We live on a beautiful planet called Earth, which spins around the sun in space. The sun gives us heat and light, and the moon shines at night. Stars twinkle far, far away, and scientists study them to learn amazing things about the universe. Science is full of wonderful discoveries, and you can be a scientist too. Just keep exploring, asking questions, and finding answers. It's the best way to learn. Please let me know what science question do you have for me today. Goodbye.